gentlemen, and welcome back to World of Warships. I have a strange sinking feeling about this. Yeah. Basically, what's happening now is World of Warships have basically just released the Halloween specials. Mainly because they released last year's Halloween special back out, and I realized I haven't recorded that one, so we're gonna just do that one now. So, last year's Halloween special was three tier 3 ships in a battle area. I think it's under the Halloween Saving Transylvania Operation of the Week. We will escort. Yeah, so basically what you have to do is escort a ship to a portal. And along the way you'll be shot at and hunted and all that jazz. So with the mission, you've got you've got the destroyer Blade, which is captained by Abraham V. Hellsinger. You've also got Igor, which is captained by Victor F. Einstein. And then you've got the Jackal, which is captained by Henry J. Hyde. But what is good about these is I'm glad they've brought back last year's Halloween special, because this year's Halloween special, I guess, would not make sense without it. So this is going to be in 2 parts. So this is part 1, and next week I think is the update for the new Halloween special. So I'll bring out an episode then. But yeah, let's have a go in Blade, and then I think I'll go into Jackal next. I'm gonna play a battleship. This is strange. Yeah, so let me just have a look actually into the modules. Smoke generator. Oh, they're premium. Okay, it's premiums. Okay, so and hope you like the new intro I got at the very beginning of this, guys. Thanks to Mr. Big Boy Squared for that. For without him, I would not have done it. So a big thanks to you, and let's get into a battle. So, Saving Transylvania. Basically, you're escorting the king to a portal. So, let's have a go at this then. We're just gonna ask for a plan, because can you see that's the portal up there, and that's Transylvania. I played this last year, so I'm just gonna stay close to Transylvania. Mainly because I know what's going to happen, and yeah, we have to escort. Yeah, so the amount of ships that you have to do, you have to have a load of ships with the Transylvania to keep her moving. And we have a load of people that will come and hurt her. So we have monster ships, basically. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to go hunting some monster ships. Normally, there are some there, and there. We've got catapults, incoming catapults, fire at will. Oh gosh. Try to stop it! Transylvania's been hit. Fire! Looks like. Yep, there's a Zicasa. Ooh, I hate the looks of these Zicasas. And there's another one over there. And what's also happening with the Transylvania, she's also a repair ship. So while we're in this circle of hers, we are actually staying repaired. I'm gonna see if I can quickly cut in front of Transylvania to release a load of torpedoes at that Zakasa over there. Come on, come on. Firing torpedoes! Torpedoes gone. 1. Torpedo tube 2. Fire at will. Oh, that's a doozy. We're gonna slow down and to 1/4 speed and fire. There is a Zakasa right there that's getting way too close to the Transylvania. So we are going to get in range and fire at will. Fire. 2 torpedo tubes. I need to stop. 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 Okay, I'm taking hits here. I'm taking way too many hits. This is not good. Right, this guy's evading torpedoes like a boss, so we're just gonna fire these 2 sets of torpedoes right into his bloody flank. Oh! That was a doozy! Enemy battleship destroyed, and oh gosh. I'm sorry, I've got to get out of this area.
Problem solved, sir.
Right, I'm gonna lay smoke for the Transylvania.
Smoke generator started.
At the very end, there is a bad guy that we need to defeat. Okay, incoming there. Torpedo tube 1 and 2. Fire at will at the enemy Zakasa.
Torpedoes astern.
Torpedoes astern. Ow! Just taking a major hit there. Ah! Wee woo! Wee woo! Burn the repair party. I'm getting out of here. Slow down to a stop. Slow down. Come on, get out the way. Get out the way. They're targeting me. All people you had to target, it's me. Right, the best armor piercing would be them. It's armor piercing. You want to fire at them. Right, target's being penetrated, sir. Good. Let's see if we can get back up to full speed, and we will commence running again. Gonna let the fire burn out there. He's targeting me. No! Stop targeting me! Evil Zakasas! Switching fire to that catapult. Is he firing at me? If I hadn't have turned there, I would have been toast. She's targeting Transylvania, sir. I can see that one, Private. Fire armor piercing at that ship. that catapult, we must fire. Come on, guys. I need help. Good. Oh, sorry, Transylvania. Sorry to cut across your bow. Why are they all firing at me? Come on, guys, there's much bigger targets for you to be shooting at apart from me. Stay down. Oh, crud. More Zacassas. Okay, they're taking firing at me. Need to lay some smoke. Smoke screen. Problem solved? Problem solved? Gives you problem, please solved. I'm back on fire again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Ah! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this sucks! Boom! And he's gone. At this point, I'm actually sweating bullets. Enemies of Casa in the... Enemies of Casa, enemies of Casa. Yes, we did destroy an enemy battleship. Ow! And I'm on fire again. Well, we failed that one because nobody actually stayed with the bloody Transylvania. Let's see if we can do any better in the Jackal, shall we? Jeez, that was hard. It's much harder now that I remember it because actually, to be honest, it was quite easy. But now they must have buffed it, so it's now quite harder. Quite hard indeed. Jackal. I got blade. We have to get this right, men friends.
battle starts.
Okay, I'm detected. Suppressed. Fire at will. Another one suppressed, sir. The gases, the gases. Where are they? Oh, they're all up ahead. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Being taken fire. Come on, come on, come on. Fire it well! One hit. Thank you!
Enemy battleship destroyed.
Enemy battleship has been destroyed, ladies and gentlemen. Target being penetrated, but over penetrated, sir. Fire! Nice work.
Enemy heavily damaged.
Thank you. One hit, seriously. Max, let's see if we can citadel this guy. Oh, set him on fire. Oh, hey. Confirmed penetration, you say? Fire it well.
Problem solved, sir.
He's going for the ram. He's going for the ram.
The ship is on fire.
Can't see, because there's so many bloody smoke. Full stop, full stop.
Enemy severely damaged.
Fire at will. Actually, no. Concentrate fire on that enemy catapult. All fires out.
Enemy heavily damaged. Problem solved, sir. The ship is on fire.
We're on fire, sir. On fire again, sir.
Enemy severely damaged. Problem solved, sir.
Fire! Confirm penetration, sir. Fire again! Fire target. Oh crap. Target the catapult in front.
Enemy severely damaged. Requesting assistance.
Negatory. Fire! Firing will. Fire at will. Fire at will! Right, we're gonna wait for 9 seconds. Fire!
Target penetrated.
Eight seconds. Fire when ready. Fire! Spin around, let's see what's going on this side. Come on! Fire! Not today, scumbag!
Destroyed an enemy battleship.
Rasputin's in! Rasputin's in! Well, both of those went completely pear-shaped ever so quickly. We'll try one more time with the Igor and then I'm done for today. I'm sorry, that just went pear-shaped so bloody quickly. I mean, no one was actually supporting each other. I mean, come on, we need to support each other. That's the whole aim of the bloody mission, to support each other.
General quarters.
Roger. Acknowledged. Roger.
Right, so basically the Igor is a St. Louis class cruiser, and I just ran into that other Igor for some strange reason. Oh well. All gun crews, reload your guns for high explosive. Fire! We've set a fire, sir. We're on fire, sir. Fire out.
The ship is on fire.
Problem solved, sir.
Keep up the high explosive spam, boys. Right, can't target that one yet. I can target that one, but can't shoot through the island. Zacassus, give him the high explosive spam, boys. High explosive spam engaged.
Torpedoes to port. Enemy battleship sunk. Enemy battleship foundered.
Another one burnt, boys. Let's have a go at them. You want to go at this, boys? Then come and get me. All gun crews, fire. High armored piercing. Keep up that high explosive spam as well. Enemies are gases. Set me on fire.
The ship is on fire. Reporting the target position.
Torpedoes direct front.
Come on, we need more fires. I've said 13 fires this game. 14 fires! Come on! Let's make it 13 fires. Those those 2 kills, both killed by me using my high explosive spam. You want some of this, Shivers? Come and get this. You also want some of this? Condon wants some of this. You want some of this high explosive spam? Another eyeball set on fire and destroyed. Eat this, commie! The majority of these kills are actually me setting them on fire. It's funny to me.
All forces, attack the onshore installation.
Ha! Another fire! 18 fires so far, boys. We got this. Wait for 2 fires, wait for 2 fires.
All forces, attack the onshore installation.
Another fire. Another death by fire. Another fire.
Battleship foundered. Torpedoes to port. The ship is on fire.
Hammer piercing it.
Main turret critically damaged.
Well, I'm dead. Good luck, boys. Well, that was the end of that one, boys. I think that was a victory. Hooray! Victory! We did, boys. So, that was not half bad, huh? Let's have a look. Nice. Third on the team for damage done. Zakasa. A lot of these guys were burnt to death. Rasputin made it out alive, though. But yeah, detailed report. Yeah, I was set on fire 10 times. But in response, I set 23 fires that game. Yeah. So that was the Saving Transylvania. Yep, Saving Transylvania. We played in the Blade, the Jackal, and the Igor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you for part 2 next week. Bye!